Hello family, welcome to Shirley's Kitchen again. Today I decided to come outside to do this big fish, and just follow me today. You'll see how it's done and how we make it, happen with this very big fish. Alright, so let in the garlic. Of course, let's fry the fish without your pepper. Let this heat up, get very hot, and I'll be back. Family, I believe that oil is very hot right now, so watch me as I put this fish in. It's not gonna hold, but I will try our best to let it happen today. Let's see how and how. Okay.
How do you keep it from sticking to the pan?
You have to let your oil be very, very hot, and the fish have to be very dry also. That's what you do. You gotta do this slow because the fish is very big, bigger than my pot. But it's gonna happen one way or the other. That's how Shirley Kitchen rolls, people. I won't let it happen. And you see how I'm basting it with the oil? That also helps for it not to stick. I'm gonna remove the garlic. Looking burnt. Remove this pepper. Did its job. Alright, I'm gonna move it around a little more. Oh, be careful. I'm using my gas stove today. Make a comment, let me know if I'm doing the right thing. If I should have baked this fish or cut it up and, brown food or something, This is my son's fish, so he wants it this way, so that's why I'm doing it. Nothing is impossible. I'm adding the seasons for the fish today. This is gonna cook separately. The fish. Here we have some carrots, thyme. I added some cilantro, chopped, onions, garlic, lots of garlic, and tomatoes. So I'm just sauteing it all up and let this cook. I also added okra. So this is gonna be for the gravy. So I'm gonna let this sit and steam for a minute. And I'm about to pour the gravy on. So just watch me. And like I said, this is Shirley's Kitchen. Come on over and get yours. This is a nice big fish, enough for everybody in Shirley's Kitchen. All the goodness, all your okras and your tomatoes, name it, it's right here. Enjoy. Let me put some more on your fish.